Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today what we got planned, I'm gonna be repairing the paint chips on my front bumper on my E93 M3. I've been getting a lot of rock chips lately and it's not looking good on the car, making it tough for me to take pictures for Instagram and whatnot. So I came across this product called Dr. Color Chip, which seems to work pretty well with restoring paint chips. So I'm excited to give it a try and get this car back to looking good again. So as you can see, I got a good amount of paint chips here. So we'll see how this product works. I got the car already cleaned up and prepped, cleaned it with some rubbing alcohol. So now we're gonna go ahead and open up this Dr. Color Chip and give it a try. All right, so here we have it, Dr. Color Chip. Let's open it up, take a look at it. So let's see, we got a towel here. What else we got? We got the color match paint as well as the blending solution. And then we have 3 little small brushes, I believe, to apply the paint. Oop. And then if we open it up, let's see. We also have a squeegee, which is another way to apply the paint. So I guess if you don't want to use the paint brushes, you can use this clear squeegee to apply the paint, to cover up the paint chips. So we're gonna start with the paint. Give it a nice shape. And then put on our gloves that they gave us. And I'll be using this paintbrush as well. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna dab the paint into the chips. So then after I finish dabbing the paint into the chip, I use my finger, the one with the latex glove, to fully smear the paint into the chip. All right, and then I'm gonna wait like about a minute or two, let it dry. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some of the blending solution onto the cloth that they sent. And then I'm gonna gently start rubbing up and down on the chip. And what it's going to do is it's going to start dissolving some of the extra paint around the edges of the chip. So I'm just rubbing it, light pressure around the edges where the excess paint is. And then after that, we're going to use our microfiber cloth that they gave us and just wipe around the area. Then after we wipe around, the chip should slowly disappear. That's all I got for today, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.